Ginger for men's sexual benefits. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ginger is a perennial herb that belongs to the Zingiberaceae family. It is used as a spice and in some cooking. In addition, ginger has many medicinal properties, especially against nausea, pain, flatulence, and diarrhea. The ginger root contains several compounds like school, the active ingredient, zingerone, and gingerols. These compounds are responsible for ginger's anti-inflammatory effects, improving digestion by fighting bacterial infection caused by the E. coli strain, Enterococcus faecalis. There are also studies showing ginger can improve erectile function in men due to its vasodilating properties, which relax blood vessels, allowing more blood flow into the penis during sexual activity, making it harder during an erection while maintaining hardness throughout intercourse. Ginger is a powerful aphrodisiac that has been used for centuries. It's so powerful and effective at treating erectile dysfunction that it's often considered the essential ingredient in male sexual enhancement products. Ginger has been around since ancient times when the Buddha taught his monks to eat ginger as part of their daily diet. The spice has also been used by many cultures to bring about arousal and libido during sex playtime. It helps in the production of testosterone and keeps sex hormones balanced. Ginger contains a compound called 6-gingerol, which is converted to 6-school. This has been shown to increase testosterone levels in rats and other animals. In addition to improving your sex life, ginger can help with erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation by promoting blood flow to the penis, the organ responsible for erections and orgasm. To improve male fertility, ginger is antioxidant. Ginger is a powerful antioxidant that can help to improve male fertility. Antioxidants are substances that fight free radicals, which cause damage to cells and DNA. Free radicals can harm your body if they accumulate too much, so you must have the right amount of antioxidants in your diet. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants such as gingerols, schools, and zingerone that help protect against cellular damage caused by free radicals. This helps improve male fertility by preventing premature aging of eggs within an ovum, egg. It is also a vasodilator that helps relax arteries and improve blood circulation in the pelvic region. Ginger is a vasodilator that helps relax arteries and improve blood circulation in the pelvic region. This will help to improve erectile function and sexual performance as well. Ginger helps to treat erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. It improves libido and sexual desires and strengthens your sexual organs. Ginger is a good remedy for erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. The ginger extract contains ras-methionine sulfoxide, ROS, which has been found to help improve libido and increase sexual desire. When treating erectile dysfunction, you can use ginger in your food or as a supplement along with other treatments like nitric oxide supplements or phosphodiesterase inhibitors, PDE5 inhibitors. Ginger is rich in zinc, an essential element in semen production. It increases sperm count and strengthens sperm mobility. Zinc is essential for fertility, and ginger is rich in this mineral. Zinc helps produce sex hormones such as testosterone, which are necessary for sexual function. Ginger also contains other nutrients that play a role in sperm production, including copper and selenium. These nutrients help improve sperm count and mobility by strengthening the immune system and increasing sperm production. Ginger has been used medicinally since ancient times because it contains chemicals called zingiberanoids, ZBG, that have strong antifungal properties when applied topically or taken orally by mouth. 3. In a study of Zingiber officinale, ginger, as an aphrodisiac agent in male rats, ginger significantly increased male rats' sexual behaviors compared to placebo groups. Ginger has been used as an aphrodisiac in China for thousands of years. It is rich in zinc, an essential element in semen production. As a result, ginger increases sperm count and strength. Ginger is an antioxidant, which can help reduce inflammation and other harmful chemical reactions in your body. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules. Free radicals can cause cell damage, leading to cancer, heart disease, and other health problems if left unchecked. It's also a vasodilator, which helps open blood vessels, so more blood flows through them for better circulation. This may be why ginger improves sexual performance in men with erectile dysfunction. ED is caused by a decrease in blood flow into penile tissues, causing painful erections that occur too quickly. Conclusion. Ginger is a prevalent herb used for centuries as an aphrodisiac and general tonic. It contains many compounds with diverse effects on the body, but its primary function is to increase testosterone production. This makes it an essential ingredient in men's sexual health products. In addition to improving fertility and libido, ginger has antioxidant properties that help combat aging and improve overall health.